Welcome back. Now, within your Microsoft 365 account, you will have access to a family safety icon. Now, if you are using Microsoft 365 on a personal level, what you can do is you can add in a family member and you can manage access to certain applications. You also have some family collaboration features. There's a family safety mobile app. You can track members of your family and where they are on the map. You can have a specific email. You can manage a family calendar. You can have a family OneNote account. You can also set limits to your children's screen time here in this area. You can match content filters. So basically, what you have is you have a way of being able to give your children access to certain features of your Microsoft account and to be able to monitor certain aspects as they begin to use it consistently. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.